on the topmost region. On this region, this layer is found. Okay, here your all your leaves will be there, dead animals will be there. Okay, branches will be there, surface organisms. Okay, this is one O layer. All right, this is one O layer, and this is not a part of soil profile. All right, let it be very clear. This is not a part of soil profile. This layer is brown or black in color. All right, you might have seen this layer is brown and black in color, and humus formation does not start here. And humus formation does not start here. Guys, can you know what is humus? Can you tell me what is humus? What is humus? Tell me what is humus, boys. Sharipa, sketcha, sketcha. Light up, sketcha, sketcha. Dead and decayed particles, BK Sukantanan, shoot, dead decay matter. Yes, absolutely right. It is the dead, okay, that we call it as humus. So this is the first layer, okay, but not of the soil profile. Okay, this is not the, it is not of the soil profile. Let's go to the next slide and see what are the layers of soil profile. This 2A layer, okay, this 2A layer, it is the first layer of the soil profile. This is the most important layer because humus formation starts from here, and it also plays an important role in seed germination. Okay, seed germination. Since humus is present, that's why it, the humus present which is present there, it helps in the formation of seed germination. Many microorganisms like earthworm, 2A layer or A layer, 2A layer boys, 2A layer, 2A layer, 2A, 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 2A. Microorganisms like earthworm, fungi, bacteria are found here. This layer is most vulnerable to wind, water, and erosion. Wind, water, and erosion. And when you will see, you can see this is the this is our 2A layer. Topmost layer, all your microorganisms, wind, earthworm, fungi, bacteria will be present here, and this layer, okay, it will be most vulnerable to the air first of all, the wind which is flowing, and water also. This is our first layer of the soil profile. Clear? Is it clear, boys? Is it clear to everyone? First layer. Okay. 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 So this is the first layer. Let's move on to the next layer. This is our third layer. This is our third layer. Okay. This layer is found below the O and EA layer. It is lighter in color and also rich in nutrition, that is lynched from the above layers. Okay. When you will see, it is the this layer. This is our 2A layer, first layer. Okay. This is the second layer. Or All right, first is by default, or this was first one, this is second one, this is our third layer. O and इनको छोड़ दो, there is nothing, just leave them O and E. वो नाम दे दिए गए उनको, just names are given, okay, just leave that O and E. In each like in different book the names are different. It is lighter in color, okay, as you can see, and it is also rich in nutrition. It is also rich in nutrition. That is all about the third layer. Let's go to the fourth layer. The fourth layer. This layer is found below O, A, and E layers. O, A, and E layers. It is rich in silicate, clay, iron, aluminum, and carbonates. Sukantan, OAE layer. It is rich in silicate, silicate clay, iron, aluminum, and carbonate. It is also known as alluviation zone because of the presence of the minerals. It is also known as alluviation zone. Alluviation zone because of the presence of the minerals which are present there. Because of the presence of the minerals which are present there. Yes. Clear, boys? Clear to everyone? Everyone write in the chat. Okay. Let's move on to the next type, that is 6 layer, or you can say 6R layer. This layer consists of rock bed. Okay. And rock type is found here, such as basalt. Many types of rocks are also found there, such as basalt, granite, and limestone. These are the types of rocks which are found there. क्या बोल रहे हैं? Fifth layer. ऊपर नीचे हो गया, दैट इज शफल्ड. फिफ्थ लेयर अभी आएगी बच्चे. Salt and limestone. It is present in our. This is all about our sixth layer. Let's go to the next one. Fifth layer. This layer mainly consists of broken bedrocks. This layer mainly consists of broken bedrocks. No organic material will be there. Okay. And it is mainly composed of sediments and geological material. It will be much below this bedrocks. Bedrocks के और नीचे होगी ये. Broken bedrocks, no organic material, composed of sediments and geological material. This is all about your 5C layer. 5C layer. And when as a whole you will see it is somewhat look like this basically when you see it. Okay. A origin, B origin, C origin, D origin. The topmost one and the bottommost one are not there in this diagram. This is the basic structure or the basic Soil profile. A horizon, B horizon, C horizon, bedrock. Any doubts? Any doubts, boys? Any doubts? Depth? Depth? What depth? For each layer, it is varying here. It is varying. Suppose in hilly areas, this layer will be hardly it will be there. It will be too much less. But whereas if you take go to the plains, it will be somewhat thick. That's why it is varying from region to region. Okay, in hilly areas, hardly this A horizon is there. Hardly, hardly it is there. It is varying. That's why we can't say like properly this is the exact depth of each layer. Any doubts? Any doubts? Clear to everyone? Clear to everyone? Clear, 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 clear. So this was all about your soil, its types and its characteristics. Alright. This was all about your soil, its types and its characteristics. In the next class, we will study what are the various types of agriculture, what are the types of agriculture which is practiced in India. Okay, type of agriculture we will study in our next class. In our next class, types of agriculture. So, boys, we have completed our polity. I guess polity we have completed. So please study and revise polity. Okay, in detail we have studied. We will be finishing up this geography in quite some few days. All right. Then we will take up history and other subjects. All right. That's how we will go one by one. All right. Yes. Please tell about different types of rights. I didn't get your question, dear Anshu. I didn't get your question, Anshu. We have discussed here what is required. Fundamental rights we have discussed. Under fundamental rights, we have discussed some legal rights also. Sorry. In fundamental rights, all your important rights we have discussed. Legal rights, it is too many. Okay. And that is actually not required, I must say. All the civil rights, legal rights, natural rights, falana rights, dimkana rights. Then it will become too boring and very much, too much. It will go such a huge list we have of this other rights. Okay, fundamental rights were important. There were rules, there were concepts. Okay, they were important also. That's why I have covered fundamental rights. Legal rights. Acha, don't worry. If I get time, no. If I get time, I will tell you about. On one day, I will tell you about all these rights and all. Okay. On one day, I will tell you about all these rights and rights. Panchayat Raj. Panchayati Raj. You guys want to study Panchayati Raj? You guys want to study Panchayati Raj? Okay. 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 So Panchayati Raj is also there. Okay. 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 In some class we will take a Panchayati Raj also. चलो और बताओ. On public demand, Panchayati Raj will be taken. It's in polity. Yeah, it's in polity. I haven't taken because it was not that much important. Okay. But as you guys are, and we don't have time also. Okay. But as you guys are telling, I'll take a Panchayati Raj. Okay. I will take a Panchayati Raj one day. It's just a 30 minutes lecture. Just 30 minutes. All right. Any other doubts? Any other queries? Any other queries, boys? Share PPT. PPT or PPT I can't share, but I will make the material, then I will send you. Actually, see, this PPT and all whatever it is there in this PPT, it is already available in their books. That's why I haven't shared it. It is like it's no use of sharing it. It is already there in the books. Again, if I will share you, you guys won't study, I know. And from phone, surely you guys won't study. All right. It is already there in your books. These are just for your understanding. Okay. Concepts are there in your books. In class, we'll clear those concepts. We'll understand. We'll try to understand. And I'm there to clear our doubts also. Right? Any other doubts, queries? If not, write clear in the chat. If not, write clear in the chat. If not, write clear in the chat. Acha, clear. Acha, guys, after my class, you have any other class? No. Oh. Means playtime. Okay. That's why you guys are very much eager. Valorant. Oh. ओके. बड़े लोग वैलोरेंट खेलते हैं. बढ़िया है. Okay, boys. I hope all your doubts are cleared. All right. Whatever queries, still any queries are there, please address in the next class. All right, boys. With this, we'll end up today's session. All right. With this, we'll end up today's session. I hope you have understood all the things. All right. I hope the session was interesting. And in the next class, we will study about types of agriculture in India. So, guys, thank you for your time. Thank you so much. See you in the next class. Jai Hind.